Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 18 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Alright, today on day 18, we have around 4,567 listings that are currently running on our store. Let's go ahead and check out our sales. Okay, so every single sale that came in for 7th of April is for today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 orders that came in on one day. So today we have a lot of good orders that came in. Everything is looking amazing. Okay, 50% and 60% markups, as you can see, and one of them is 40%, the other one is 60, and then 40. So two of them are 40 out of 7, and the rest is like either 50 or 60%, 60% mainly. It seems like we're making a lot of good profit. Our store is actually on the rise, so everything is looking good. Let's go to our performance tab and check out our traffic as usual. We are currently at very close to 2.4 million impressions, and out of that 2.4 million impressions, we have 3,345 listing views, crazy amount. 36 sales, I believe there was like 2 or 3 orders that came in, so minus that. Click-through rate is currently at 0.1%. Our sale conversion rate is going up to 1.1% again. And look at our impression. So on Monday, we had around close to 400,000 impressions. And let's go to our listing view. We are looking at close to 400 listing views. Let's go to our quantity sold. As you can see, 7 items were sold and 7 of them came from promoted listing. So as you know, sales bring sales, organic sales bring organic sales, promoted listings bring promoted sales. That's how eBay works. Okay, that's it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, our account is getting more profitable every single day. And as I told you guys, we have a up spiral impressions and it's going up every day. Our listing views is going up every day and quantity sold is relatively going up. As I told you, exponential snowball effect is starting to kick in. 5,000 plus upwards is going to be where we'll be getting a lot of juice. Okay. Again, it's going to be fluctuating. Some days we might have 3 orders, some days we have 12 orders, all depending on the market, it's all depending on the season, it's all depending on what is happening that day, everything included. Are we standing at a good markup percentage? Is our account healthy? Are we making sales? Are we not making sales? Are we taking care of the customers? How's our feedback score? All of these things are getting into consideration. So it's always better to be reminded of these things and make sure that you're running your store in the best way possible that you can do to the best of your abilities. So without further ado, you guys already know the drill. Tomorrow we're going to list as much listings as we possibly can. We're at a scaling phase and we're going up. So guys, we already had 36 sales, okay, including day 19. Now, if that doesn't blow you out of the water, I don't know what it does. Without further ado, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.